watching news from Ukraine. So there are Russian groups now training with shotguns for shooting drones. I told you that was going to happen, did I not? Because for every tool there's or for every job there's a tool. You're not going to use a screwdriver as a hammer, although I have been guilty of that in the past. But to shoot down something in the air flying, this is what traditionally I've always used a shotgun. And I've seen more than one video of these drones chasing guys. And I can tell you right now, I mean, it's definitely not faster than a quail. And yeah, I don't understand why every single group there should be carrying a shotgun. Maybe two. Preferably a 7-shot semi-automatic with heavy birdshot. You don't need double-aught buck for something like that. Heavy birdshot will do it. Number 6 would do it, actually. Light birdshot would do it. You're gonna puncture that battery. You're gonna cut through a couple of those layers. Battery's gone. You're gonna hit the battery. If you fire at a drone that is 50 feet away from you with a 12 gauge, even without even with a full choke on it, you're going to be able to hit it if you have any experience whatsoever. I don't understand it. Drones have a weakness, and that weakness is they're loud. Just like a duck hunter. He's sitting and he's waiting and he hears a quack, quack, quack coming from that direction. And he gets up and he gets ready and yep, sure enough, here they come. And before that drone could get close to me, I'll guarantee you I could shoot it down. I mean, even if it's coming in trying to be evasive, that's not going to help. Especially not with a good long-barreled semi-automatic rifle, a shotgun that someone knows how to use. I don't see drones having a chance. They'll be dropping stuff, yes. Kamikaze drones, yes, but not these ones that are taking out personnel. That shouldn't be happening. And even some of the kamikaze drones, they have to approach, they're loud. And that's their downfall because the guy with the shotgun hears a drone, he picks up his shotgun. It's as simple as that. He puts down his Kalashnikov or whatever he's using, and he picks up his Benelli. Drone done. Even at longer distances with steel shot, because we're talking about, this is combat. We're not talking about sporting. We're here to cheat. You know what I mean? We're talking about magnum loads, steel shot, so you can get more with less weight. Oh yeah, you could definitely raise hell with drones with shotguns. I did a video on it a few months back because I was just confused watching these drones chasing these guys. There was 4 or 5 guys, and they're all running, and this thing's like zooming around. If just one of those guys had a shotgun, it would have all been over. And for me, it was confusing because the drone technology seems to be this great advancement, okay, in warfare, which it is, kind of. It's like you got these guided munitions that are like super smart because there's a guy behind the controls, right? But then you go back to one of the oldest weapons that people have ever used for taking out flying anything, and that's shotguns. So let's hope somebody in Ukraine has already talked to, Benelli and these guys and had, I know there's some good combat shotguns out there right now. So maybe the United States should take some of that $60 billion and buy 20 or 30,000 shotguns.